everybody, and welcome back to my channel. How are you all feeling? Hopefully you're doing well. How am I feeling, you ask? I'm a little tired. This is like my third video I'm filming back to back because I have so much to show you, and I don't know if everybody knows, I work a 9 to 5 job. And so when I come home after dinner, after, you know, talking to my kids for a minute, I film videos. Today's Friday, so I'm able to film a few more. With that being said, if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up if you like this video, and leave a comment down below on any of the items that I will be showing you today. Let me know if you like them, if you want to see more videos like this, and we'll do that. So today I am going to talk to you about the Walmart boxes. These are the favorites. These, like, they seem like samples, or yeah, it says value over $36. Not sure. And you know, I started filming this and then I started over and then I put the items back in and it's covered. Good one, San. So anyways, let's get started. Let's go ahead and pull these items out. Oh, I'm such a dork. Whatever. So these are the items. No, let me not try to make it fall. So these are the items that come in the box. Like I said, this is $9.88 a box. Let me know if you think they're worth it, or if you would go ahead and buy some. This is not a monthly subscription. If you do have a Walmart near you, which more than likely you do, you can go in your store and pick them up and take them home. And no shipping required, just a drive to the store. So what I did is I used my Ebates app, and if, for those of you not familiar with Ebates, Ebates is like a third party where you go to them first, you go see what stores are available and they're offering cash back. And then I looked for Walmart, I clicked on Walmart, I think they were giving back 5%, 1%, but any percent is more money in my pocket, and I'm already gonna spend the money. I might as well make some money on the money I'm going to spend. Anyway, with that being said, I will leave the link down below so you can check that out. There's Groupon on there, I believe there's Amazon on there, Walmart, Target, BH Cosmetics is on there. So you go through them. Sometimes they offer 5% cash back, sometimes they double, sometimes there's 10 and 12%, and you can make some really good money. I got a text today saying I was getting $81 back. So it's like, woohoo. Anyway, I am wasting time. So this is the products. So you get an e.l.f. primer, and this was 0.47 ounces. So we're pretty familiar. I don't know, is everybody familiar with e.l.f. the primer? I think I have one around here somewhere, but of course I will waste time just trying to pull it out. And we also have a master prime. This is 050, and this is 0.5 fluid ounces. I will try to look up all the prices for, I don't think they're gonna, I could give you the full, the prices for the full size items. Did I just burp? That's so disgusting. But you know, these are sample sizes. Now, would you pay $10 for all this? This is a setting spray. Illuminating makeup setting spray. I don't want to open some of these things, so I probably will be putting them in a giveaway. You also get Hard Candy Sheer Envy setting spray, 12-hour. It's matte. I'm not familiar with Hard Candy. I don't think I have anything Hard Candy, but I will look that up. And you also get Body Luminizer. This is also by, I just unsealed it, but this is by Hard Candy. Dust Glow. I just opened it. See, it's tape. Here's the tape. I'm gonna put it back on. So it is brand new. So that's that. And then two last items in here. So you also get the Milani highlighter, Strobelight, and also the Milani Rose Powder Blush. So that is everything. And this one says it It's a value over $36. What do you think? Is this valued over $36? It was $9.88. No cost for shipping. I just went and picked it up. So let's do another box. This box is latest in lips. There you go there, and it says it's valued over $47. My handy dandy trusty long ass scissors. And let's see. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so before I pull everything out, this is everything that you get in this box. So you get the, let me pull everything out. Let's go ahead and make a mess, because why not? These look like they're full-size items. So this was also $9.88. So let's see. Let's start out with this one. This is the Burt's Bees liquid lipstick, and we know Burt Bees, they're pricey. So like I said, I will list everything down in the description box and let you know what the prices are for these items. And if I can't find the sample price, I'll give you the full size price. And then you can tell me if, would you buy this? Would you buy these boxes? I think I'd go buy another one, to tell you the truth. Actually, if I can go to the store tomorrow, I'll buy some more and I'll do some more unboxings. So this is Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Or you let me know if that's something you want me to go do. I will go buy some more different ones. And I'll let you know if they are worth it. This is a pretty color, but I don't know if I want to swatch this. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine with hyaluronic hyaluronic acid. Lips look and feel hydrated for 24 hours. Oh, that's nice. And then you get a Wet n Wild liquid catsuit. Has anybody tried this? I haven't tried this yet. If you have, let me know down below if you tried it. How does it work out? Is it nice? Is it not nice? And this is in the color of Flirt Alert. This Burt's Bees one is in the color of Tidal Taupe. These are sealed, so I don't want to open them because I don't know. I might give them away. And of course, I can't see. Radiant Rose number 50, which is this one. Then you also get My Collagen Hydrogel Liquid Patch. Ooh, there it is there. And you can see like the bubble. You see how it's moving in there? So you get one of those. And then you also get Plumping Serum Max Pout Hard Candy. Oh, I'll do anything. I like those plumping things. Plumping lipsticks. Has anybody tried the Sexy Lips? Woo! Put this lip injection by Too Faced. Sorry, shameless plug. That's good. It kind of tingles your lips, but I don't know if my lips look bigger, but I like the way it feels on my lips. And this is Plumping Serum by Hard Candy. This is a full size item as well. I have Jeffree Who on today, for those of you asking. And this, and they write with markers so you don't return them because they are full size products. You shouldn't do that anyways. That's kind of tacky. And this is only take stuff back if you have an allergic reaction to it. If you don't like the color of it, you can take it back. Walmart does 90 days, I believe, 60 days. I think 60 days, but within 30 days, you'll know that you don't like it. If you have the receipt, you can take your makeup item back to Walmart, FYI. But don't abuse it. I know people that buy stuff all the time and then return that shit as soon as they make a video, they go return it. That's wrong. Don't do that. And this is in the color Dark and Stormy by Flower. This is, what was her name? Drew Barrymore's line, the Flower. That's a pretty color. I like that. That's a full size. And then this is Almay Goddess Gloss. That is really pretty. That's pinky. What color is this? angelic. So you get this one and this one. You get the smaller one. You get all of this. Oh shoot. And you get this. Oh crap. Damn it. So you get all of this for $9.88. Is it worth it? Yeah, I think it is. I think it's very worth it. I know flour is kind of pricey. And so is Almay. And so is Burt's. All of this is. So would you buy all of this? Let me know in the description. No, you can't go in the description box. I can't. Go in the comment section. Let me know. Would you buy this box? Are you interested in buying this box? It's $9.88. This is latest in lips and has a value of over $47. So I know I would, and I did. So let me know if you'll buy this box, if you like any of these items. I will be putting some of these items in a giveaway. I keep mentioning this giveaway, right? But I will be giving, I believe Sunday, well this weekend, I'm going to try to put the giveaway video together. I am doing a giveaway in February for my 300 subscribers. And I'm also doing a giveaway in March, my birthday month, to celebrate not just me, but to celebrate all of you for being here and taking your time out of your day to watch my video and commenting and letting me know that you like what I do and you like my content. But thank you for stopping by. I still have 2 more boxes, but I don't want this video to drag on too long. So what I'll do is I will do another video and you'll see me with my Atari shirt on, so you know it's the same day. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another video for the next 2 things. And I will talk to you soon. Again, subscribe. Don't be shy. Don't be, you know, don't stray. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know you want to. And hit that like, thumbs up. And also share this video, put it in your playlist, and comment down below. Let me know if both of these boxes were worth $10. Would you buy them? And I will talk to you later. Hasta laters.